Ilara, a talented painter, stared at her blank canvas with growing despair. For weeks, inspiration had abandoned her, leaving behind only self-doubt and an empty studio. Each morning she approached her easel, hoping for a spark, but found only frustration. Her brushes lay untouched, and the vibrant colors in her palette seemed to mock her inability to create. This artistic paralysis weighed heavily on her spirit. One rainy afternoon, as she watched the droplets cling to her window, a tiny glint of light caught her eye. It was not a grand vision, but a simple, fleeting moment of beauty in the ordinary. She picked up a small sketchbook, not her usual large canvas, and began to sketch the intricate patterns of the rain. Without pressure to create a masterpiece, she found freedom in capturing the delicate details. This gentle return to basics slowly rebuilt her confidence. Days turned into weeks, filled with small studies of everyday wonders. A wilting flower, the play of light on a teacup, the texture of an old book. Gradually, the colors returned to her large canvases, infused with a newfound authenticity and joy. Ilara learned that true inspiration isn't always a sudden lightning strike, but often a quiet whisper found in observation and persistence. Her art bloomed again, richer and more personal than before, reminding her that every artist faces barren seasons.